لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. The summary is, there is no God except Allah. God only one, Allah. No God except Allah. And Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his messenger, Rasul. Okay? And now you are a Muslim and your converted name is? Muhammad Zain. Your old name was Alex. Alex, leave it. And you now Muhammad Zain. Okay, thank you.